If your handheld XRF looks like this, and you've got a battery exposed in the bottom, then you need to replace the battery cover on your Olympus Delta. The battery cover is this piece here. You can find these on alloygeek.com. The battery cover pretty much just goes up here and clips onto the front like so. And it covers the battery, protecting it from impact, dust, debris, etc. The back piece is a little bit tricky. There's a button here which you have to stretch this plastic underneath the button to get it on. Let me do that quick. And it's that easy. Once this button has got that battery cover underneath it, you're good to go. This latch will function as intended and last a long time. It's rubberized to reduce impacts if it were to hit the bottom of something. And that's pretty much it. So now you know how to change the battery cover on your Olympus Delta.